Good morning friends, myself Aman Sharma from Hotel Management Department in RPIIT campus Karnal. Today's our topic is cleaning equipments used in housekeeping department. There are basically two type of equipment used in housekeeping department. First is manual equipments and second one is mechanical equipments. Manual equipments, those equipment which operated with the manpower. First one is carpet sweeper. It is hand operated. Second, have one or two revolving brush which throw the dirt and dust into the box used on hard floor. Fourth one is have adjustable brushes which can be raised, lowered according to the floor surface. Second equipment is mop sweeper or dust mop, made of cotton yard hood and fitted onto a metal or plastic stalk with long or short handle. Used instead of sweeping because it reduces the amount of dust rising and them resettling. Used in conjunction with a vacuum cleaner or on its own before hard floor maintenance. Can be removed from the mop itself for cleaning or sterilizing. Third equipment is wet mop, made from long cotton yarn, round head known as dolly mops, flat hands known as fantail mops. Fantail mops are more hygienic as can be removed for washing. Yarn will be not broken away from the mop head easily. Dolly mops cannot be removed for cleaning and dirt is pushed deeper and deeper into the floor and redistributed over the floor. Next equipment is squeeze mop. Consists of a plastic foam head attached to a metal plate which is hung in the middle. When the lever on the handle is depressed, the hing operated a squeezing action, forcing the water out of the sponge, used for washing down certain types of wall, including tiles. Next equipment is brushes and broom. Have bristle of hair nylon wire secured into a wooden polypropylene or metal stock, secured by wire, glue or by a combination of both. Have long or short handle according to their purpose. Next is our cleaning cloths. Consist of either textile, wool or fiber. Man-made synthetic fiber are not absorbent and less suitable. Many establishments rags such as written off sheets, towel are used for cleaning purpose. Next main equipment is our mechanical equipments. First is upright vacuum cleaner, not suitable for modern floor covering carpets that are stuck down to the floor, have a thick rubber backing. Air is sucked into the head through the carpet and the beater bars dissolve the dust that can be sucked up to the bag. Second is our cylindrical vacuum cleaner. Advantage of cylinder vacuum cleaner is flexible and clean under any furniture, used on hard as well as soft floor because they are adjustable heads. Come with attachment, can be used to clean furniture, beds and soft furnishing. Backpacks models available for high dusting and the removal of cobwebs. Disadvantage of cylinder vacuum cleaner is industrial design must be bought as domestic varieties not available. Dust bags needs frequent changes, expenses if they are not reusable. Topple over easily, annoying for the operator. Hoses break very easily, damaged by maids, room service trolley running over them. Next Our mechanical equipment is scrubbing machine. Requirement: when hard floor are installed in reasonably large area, fitted with a variety of brushes, pad which are colored, graded according to the type of job. Next is our high speed polishing machine for floors that need regular buffing and polishing, not versatile as regular scrubbing machines. Now, selection of equipments. There are some criteria for selection of equipments like suitability, durability, budget, frequency of use, ease of operations, availability of parts, service reliability, warranty, safety factor, work performance, safe of time and labor, noise, storage, maintenance and serving arrangement, reputation of the company. Thank you.